Giovanni tilli repairability test. Here's our sample. Okay. All right. So just make sure they're all up. All right. Just take the nails out like you normally would. And don't lift the shingle above 2 inches or else it doesn't count. Any of the shingles, like, so when you get under it, don't lift it above 2 inches. Like, you can feel this one's already cracking, but you gotta play it by their game. This roof is definitely too brittle to be repaired. So you have to, like, the reason I lift up the corners of the ones directly above it is because there could be a nail right here, right? You've got to get every single nail 2 layers up to get the shingle out.
So this whole section?
Yeah, so this whole section and this whole section, all the nails got to come out. Last one. All right, and then when I pull it out, I always pull it out. Oh, there's another nail in here somewhere. No, it's just stuck. No. It's got a nail in it somewhere. Oh, right there. It's like incognito. So I always take the shingle out and flip it over in the video so that way they can see the dimensions of the shingle. And this one is actually a discontinued shingle. So now they know that it's discontinued. Get it set. Okay. This is the most annoying part of it though, is we used to lift the shingles up and nail it in, but now we got to use this thing. So you just take the nail, boom, slide it in there. Get it up in there like that. Pull it out and set it back on top of it to finish it off.
You gotta do it for
Yeah, and you can't reuse the same nail holes because it just doesn't work. So yeah, if you go up to the edge of this, it's perfect. That's how far the nail should be up. I thought I heard Mr. Giovanni. Almost done. God, you should hear how heavy I breathe in some of these videos. And then what you would do next is just simulate the next storm. So give her a wipey. Oh man, this one cracked. This one's, yeah. So this one for sure. And this one for sure. This one's, yeah, if you see. Yeah. Okay, so now, you know, unfortunately, we're gonna have to replace this shingle, these 3 shingles, which is gonna damage the ones above it, which is gonna damage the ones above that one, cascading all the way up to the ridge for every single one. So that makes the roof not repairable because it's gonna damage, like by repairing one shingle, we've damaged 3 shingles. So it just, the roof is not repairable. Then you just wanna get a close-up of the damage. Ready?